Hello, brilliant students, and welcome to the 5th lesson of the intensive mini course in Business English for Beginners. In today's class, we'll focus on talking about your company and learn how to describe its services in English. First, let's listen to the dialogue between Adam and Emma. They meet at a business networking event and introduce their companies to each other.
Hi, I'm Adam from Tech Solutions. We started our company in 2010 as a small startup, and over the years, we have grown into a reliable IT service provider. We have developed software solutions for various industries and worked with many mid-sized companies.
Nice to meet you, Adam. I'm Emma from Global Marketing Experts. Our company was founded in 2005, and since then we have specialized in digital marketing and consulting services. We have advised several large corporations and helped them improve their online strategies.
That's impressive. What kind of clients have you worked with?
We have worked with both mid-sized companies and larger corporations. For example, we advised a major retailer 2 years ago, and they have seen significant growth since then.
It sounds like your services have been quite effective. We haven't focused much on digital marketing, but we should have considered adding it to our offerings earlier.
Digital marketing has become essential for many businesses. If you ever need advice, you should contact us.
I will, Emma. It was great talking to you.
Likewise, Adam. Have a great day.
Now let's study the grammar points used in the dialogue. The past simple tense is used to talk about actions or situations that happen at a specific time in the past. If a verb is regular, we add the suffix ed to it. For example, our company started in 2010. If a verb is irregular, we use its second form from a special table of regular verbs. For example, we grew steadily over the years. The negative form is as follows: subject plus did not plus verb. An example: we did not specialize in digital services initially. To form a question, we use did plus subject plus verb. For example, did you work with large corporations? As for the present perfect tense, it is used to talk about actions that happened at an unspecified time in the past or that started in the past and continue into the present. Here is its positive form: subject plus have, has plus past participle. The past participles of regular verbs are formed by adding the suffix ed. For example, learn becomes learned. The past participles of irregular verbs must be learned. Again, you can find them in the third column of the special table that I talked about before. An example: we have developed several successful software solutions. They have seen significant growth since then. We have grown significantly over the past decade. Negative form is the following: subject plus have not, has not plus past participle. They have not focused much on digital marketing. Question form: have, has plus subject plus past participle. Have you worked with large corporations? Should is used to give advice or recommendations. For example, you should consider expanding your services. You should not ignore digital marketing. Should we add digital services? Now, let's move on to the vocabulary section, where we will learn some useful business terms. Services and key business terms. Repeat after me: IT services, software development, digital marketing, consulting services, online presence. portfolio, partner, expand, strategy, advice, opportunity. And finally, let's practice speaking. Imagine you are introducing your company at a networking event. Use the vocabulary and grammar from this lesson. For example, hello, my name is, and I work for. We specialize in. Our company started in, and we have grown steadily over the years. You should consider our services if you're looking to. Now imagine a colleague is asking for advice about expanding their business. Practice giving advice using should. For example, you should expand your services to include. It's something that could help your company grow. And that's it for today's lesson. Don't forget, practice is key. And see you